let's shift gears here and welcome our next guest now. eToro, a multi-asset investment platform, could be riding the crypto craze all the way to Wall Street. The company announcing its plans to go public via a SPAC in March and currently allows traders to build a diversified portfolio with 17 of the most popular coins, including Bitcoin, Ether, Dogecoin, and ADA. Well, joining me now is Yoni Assia, CEO at eToro. Yoni, thanks so much for coming on the show. So you told us back in March that your company was in a great position to capture the increase in demand for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. A lot has happened since then. How has your company grown its crypto platform?
So first of all, we offer for users, our 22 million registered users from 100 different countries to trade both in the stock markets as well as in crypto. In the US, we're currently offering crypto. We've definitely seen a very exciting first half of the year. We've added, just in Q2 this year, we added 2.6 million registered users. We added for the first half this year, more than 5 million registered users into our social investment network, where last year, where we've seen over 100% growth versus 2019, we added 5 million registered users. So we're definitely seeing significant growth in 2021, both from people looking to trade commission-free stock trading from all around the world, as well as people who are trading cryptocurrencies all over the world. Obviously, we've witnessed also a correction in May, but since then, we've seen in August markets keep going up.
We have definitely seen, yes, a little bit of a rebound of late. Yoni, I am just curious in terms of the timing of your SPAC, where do you stand on that?
Well, we are on plan on the SPAC process. So we're doing basically to transition from a private company to a public company, and we're very excited about our next stage of growth.
And I know one of your competitors, Robinhood, is certainly in its latest earnings report said that crypto was huge for its business, actually accounting for more than half of sales when it came to transactions. What's your competitive advantage here, even as we learned yesterday that PayPal is looking to get into trading as well?
So eToro is a social investment network where our 22 million registered users can actually follow various markets from US equities to European equities, as well as cryptocurrencies, and use our unique patent technology, not only to see what other people are doing, including their portfolio allocation, but actually can use our technology to automatically copy the most successful investors in the network. So through our social network, we enable users to really educate themselves about the markets and get better as more successful investors.
And as we see these cryptocurrencies pick up steam and try to climb back to those highs, Yoni, how many more users have you brought on? Have you seen an acceleration of interest just this month in August as we've seen some of these cryptocurrencies try to rise?
We are definitely seeing always a direct correlation between the volatility of every asset and the trend upwards to the growth in the interest of customer demand all around the world, whether it's Tesla stock going up or whether it's Zoom stock falling. We always see a direct correlation that day from how many people are looking to buy or sell a specific asset. And we've definitely seen an awakening in the crypto markets since August.
And we do see the U.S. pushing forward here on some new tax reporting rules for cryptocurrency, and these bills headed to the president's desk, worth trillions of dollars, that is. What impact is that going to have on your company, if any?
I think as a regulated company, we've been in financial services. We're regulated in Europe, in the UK, in Australia, in the US. We've always worked very close with regulators all around the world. And definitely now that we are seeing this huge secular trend and the rise of millennial investors all over the world, both in equities as well as in the crypto markets, we should expect regulators to look in to basically the crypto markets and put in the right regulation. And for us, eToro as a regulated entity, we think that's a very good thing to protect consumer interest in the US and anywhere else.
And Yoni, as your company prepares to do its SPAC offering, what else is in the pipeline in terms of growth for your firm?
Well, we've been very excited to add more and more cryptocurrencies onto the platform. We've added more than 10 this year onto the platform globally. We're very excited about our thematic portfolios, which we added, which create a way for people, for our users to diversify their investments by investing in basket of stocks, which are really the trends of what Generation Y are looking to invest in, which is usually disruptive technologies, and are very excited about launching commission-free stock trading here in the US as well, enabling our US consumers to trade crypto alongside stocks within our social network.
What is the breakdown, Yoni, of your users around the world? How many of them are based here in the US, and where else do you have prominent hubs?
So our biggest market by far is Europe, where it's about 70% of our funded accounts are in Europe. We've expanded to Asia through our Australian offices a couple of years ago and have seen successful growth in Australia and Southeast Asia. And we started with crypto only here in the US. We've seen significant outsized growth here in the US. The Americas grew to 12% of funded accounts in Q2 versus 6% in Q2 last year, while growing the total funded accounts by more than 120% Q2 last year to Q2 this year. So we're definitely seeing a lot of growth and a lot of interest here in the US markets.
All right, Yoni Assia, CEO at eToro. Yoni, thanks so much for coming on the show. We appreciate it.